Okay, this is one thing that we are super proud of. This here is our solar power setup. So it's raining, I can't get on the roof to show you all the panels, but we now have all of these batteries. These are the inverters, and this is what is powering our sewing machines. Because the power in Kabul is so incredibly dodgy, we just did not want to run diesel generators. That would just be completely opposed to waste-free celebrations and what we're about. And so we have these solar power panels. We are currently applying for grant money to try and get some more so that we can run more machines and employ more people, but we need some help to do this, so we're knocking on donor doors at the moment. But this is the final part of what is making us tick. And this is just like any new business, we're still unpacking, and this is where it's all going to be happening.